Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a location you added on Google Map using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Google Map on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap on your profile or your contribution depending on your app version. Now tap on the tab called Edit. Here you will see a list of places or locations that you added or edited. Find the location you want to remove. Tap on it to open the full location details. Now scroll down and tap on Suggest and Edit. Choose the option that says place is closed or not here. Tap on that. Here you can see an option. Tap on Permanently Closed. Once done, tap Submit your request. Google will review your request. If they approve it, your added location will be removed from Google Maps. And that's it. You just suggested the removal of location you added on Google Map using your phone. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.